Now let's assemble the sunflower with the flower pot. Here's the pot, the soil and 2 leaves, plus sunflower petals. Let's put it together. First, we have to glue the inside of the pots. Then apply the glue stick to the bottom and inside of the planter. The glue stick will make the bottom of the planter flat and hard. After applying the glue, we'll stuff this cotton in. Flatten the bottom of the pot. Now the bottom of this planter is flat. Now let him dry out. Next, we take this sunflower wire and wrap it in thread. Take a piece of this green cotton thread. Put a little glue underneath this. We'll wrap the cotton thread around it. Wrap the cotton thread around the wire. Next, we wrap the cotton thread downwards. It's about 3 centimeters long. Here, we're applying a little glue. Then wrap it tightly. Next, we mount this leaf. Tweak it first. Then wrap the leaves around the wire. And then another leaf after that. Align the 2 leaves. Then we wrap the cotton thread around it about 2 centimeters. Wrap it around this length and you're good to go. Let's get some more glue. Stick this cotton thread together and don't let it fall apart. After it's glued off, we'll cut these threads off. Cut off all the excess. The leaf and the sunflower are ready. And then we're going to cut off these long parts at the back. Get a bigger pair of scissors and cut it off. After cutting it off, we put the flowers back into the soil. Pull it apart a little here in the middle. Then thread the flowers in. Be careful not to put them on backwards. Then pull this cotton thread out and pull it tight to tighten the coil. Then we have to reinforce it with glue. Glue it in place underneath. This cotton thread can be cut off. Next, we sew the soil to the pot. Now we'll take a plastic needle and stitch it. We made the soil connection to the pot connection. Then pull it stitch tight. Just pull it tight. Sew it up like this. Soil and pots are lined. Don't sew it crooked. Now we'll stuff some cotton in there. Don't stuff it too much. Drum up some of this dirt. This way the soil won't collapse. Once it's stuffed, we'll finish sewing it up. Well, after you sew it up, hide this cotton thread. Then we're tweaking the leaves a bit. Our little sunflower planter is now ready. We can fine-tune the leaves and flowers ourselves.